Hey, I'm Katie, and this is Living in the Now. On my channel, I give manifesting tips to help you to manifest everything you desire. Today's video is on thoughts that prevent you from manifesting money. So guess what? The only thing preventing your desires is your bad thoughts about it. Yes, that is it. So if you can learn to improve or clear those thoughts, then you can manifest money. So why does this prevent it? Because you feel bad about your desire, and you feel that you don't have it, and doubt, and worry, and upset. So, how do you fix it? You make a new story. And if you want more on thought stories, see my video called Thought Stories. And if you want to know about thoughts you should have daily, see my video called Mental Diet. And if you want more on understanding this, see my video called The Way Things Manifest, Part 2. All of these explain what a story is and why it's important. So here are some thoughts that may be preventing it. Number 1. I live paycheck to paycheck and my job only gives me this much money. So this thought keeps you in that pattern and cycle. Usually each person has a set point. So even if you made extra money, somehow you'd end up spending it or something would happen to have you use it, and where you end up back at that set point of having or making only that much money. So we want to break that set point. To fix it, your new story would be, manifesting money is easy for me. Manifesting money is as easy as breathing for me. I say what I want and it happens. I always get what I want. I want more money. I want unlimited money. I want money to come to me and find me exactly where I am. I want money to come to me out of the blue. I want to constantly have tons of money. I want money to come to me from all sources easily. Money and wealth is visible to me now. I manifest new ways to make money easily. Manifesting money and ways to make money is so easy for me. I want money ideas, and I want $1 million money idea that I can do right now. I want to see evidence of this now. I want $5,000 a day. I deserve money. I'm good enough for money, wealth, and abundance. New ways to get, have, and receive money become known and visible to me now. Manifesting money is so easy for me. And number 2, I can't afford that. And to fix that, you would say, manifesting money is easy for me. I always get what I want. I want unlimited money. I want money to buy that item. Manifesting money is as easy as breathing for me. I can buy anything I want. I want that item. And for a side note, if you focus on an item, and even though you can't buy it, you can always manifest a different way to get it as well. So there could be a focus on just how you want the item and the feeling and thoughts of having it. And number 3, I don't know how to make more money. To fix that, you'd say, I always get what I want. I want more ways I can make money now. I want those ways to be visible to me now. I want manifesting money from tons of different ways and sources to be easy for me now. I want money to come to me out of the blue. I want manifesting money to be easy for me now. I want more money and financial freedom now. All I have to do is say what I want and it happens. I want money, so it happens. Number 4, I feel so bad I don't have money. So to fix that, you'd say, manifesting money is easy for me. Manifesting money is as easy as breathing for me. Money is just paper and energy, a way to exchange value. I want to be told and shown ways to offer value to get money in exchange for it. I want money to be easy for me. I want manifesting money to be easy for me. I want to make money just for being me. Ways to get, have, and receive money become clear and known to me now. I am worthy and deserving of money. No matter what, I can manifest money. I always manifest and have money now. I have consistent money now. You could also become neutral on this topic and realize the sadness behind the lack of money is then thinking how you can't do anything or go anywhere or have the stuff that you want. You should question that bad thought and ask, Is that really true? And when you do, you may realize it is also possible to manifest those things in other ways without needing money. So see my video on Neutral is Power. Try to not feel bad that you don't have money. And if you don't feel bad you don't have it, and accept your non-reality, more can then come to you because you don't feel bad about it. Your thoughts create, and that is actually how life works. All things and thoughts are a story. If you say this will work, that's your own story, so that becomes true for you. The stories you say and your thoughts become true for you. If you want to manifest the things you want, make a new story for yourself. Keep saying it and see how results will start to show. And this grows your belief in it then even more. Want manifesting to be easy? Then make your new story that this works, and that you can say what you want and it will happen. To manifest, you say what you want and think good thoughts about it. So that's my video for today. Thanks for watching.